The aura you can't fake. You've met them before. The kind of person who walks into a room and without saying a word, everyone senses them. It's not charisma. It's not charm. It's presence. The invisible energy that makes people lean in, not because they have to, but because they want to. 1. The energy of stillness. Presence begins with stillness. The powerful move less, speak less, react less. Every unnecessary motion weakens authority. Stillness projects confidence because it communicates control, and control creates trust. When others rush, the calm one becomes the anchor. 2. The eye contact paradox. The eyes are the oldest form of communication. The powerful use them with precision. Too little eye contact, you seem weak. Too much, you seem aggressive. But the right balance creates gravity. It's not about looking at people, it's about seeing them. Power lives in awareness, not intimidation. 3. The voice of authority. When powerful people speak, it's never rushed. Their tone is deliberate, their pause is precise. Words land harder when they're chosen carefully. The lower the tone, the greater the sense of authority. The voice doesn't need to shout, it needs to resonate. Every word should sound like it came from thought, not impulse. 4. Emotional containment. Presence is emotional discipline. Anger, frustration, anxiety. They all leak energy. The powerful contain emotion without suppressing it. They understand that emotion is a current. You don't stop it, you direct it. Their calmness isn't weakness, it's power under control. 5. The psychology of space. The powerful understand how to use space. They don't rush to close the distance. They let others step closer. They own their personal space with comfort, not defensiveness. Space is invisible dominance. The subtle message that says, "This is my pace, my territory, my rhythm." 6. The hidden magnetism. Presence is magnetic because it's rare. Most people chase attention. The powerful attract it. They don't compete to be seen. They simply are, and the world adjusts around them. The psychology of presence isn't about pretending. It's about alignment. Your thoughts, your emotions, and your actions moving as one. When that happens, people don't just see you, they feel you. That's what real power looks like.